waiting for this day. Hi guys, I just hope that you're so good. Today is a very beautiful day that my hubby to be has decided to take me for an introduction, and I want to appreciate a lot. I want to thank him for being there for me. It is just I'm so happy indeed. I'm so happy. May God bless him so much. Yeah. Let's meet to the home. Bye bye. Lakini